Alright, this is an HP Pavilion that the operating system is kind of not working right. So this just gave me a good time. I'm going to recover the items that she wants on it, but it's a good time to upgrade. Why not, right? So found out what they needed and got this really inexpensively from Amazon and got here in a couple days. So to take this out, there's this, if you can tell, on the back. Take this screw out. It's got marked by a disc, and then you would come over here, and once you take the screw out, it just pops right out, and then you can get that out of the way and set it aside because there's actually two screws under here. Now for these base plates, there's one screw here, and then I took a little spudger tool, one of these little spudger tools, and I got under here and I popped it, and that was able to free it. It's only one screw holding it down, so that's all you need. Okay, same thing on this side, and then you're just going to go through and remove all of these screws with your tool, and you should be good to go. Okay, so let me get that done and I'll be right back. Also, before I forget, there's a screw here. I took the cover off here, so the easiest way to do that was I took a blade like this, like a blade, went just right under here, and you were able to pop in, and it's just held in there by a little bit of tape, okay, or adhesiveness, and then you can get the screw out from underneath there, okay. And these are just all Phillips heads. Alright, so let's get going again. Alright, so after you get all the screws out, just take another spudger tool, get underneath here, and just get under there and pop the two case halves apart. And I'm just going to work my way all the way around the body of it, and then we'll go back and go. Okay, there we go. Here's the old one. I put it in the same slot, in the same direction, got it, and then the mounting, and then now all I have to do is put it back together, and then we can do a clean install, okay? Alright, it's totally back together. Let's go install the OS, okay? And alright, I'm going through the process now of reinstalling Windows from a fresh ISO, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, it's done installing, and now we are booting for the first time, and hopefully we should have a nice situation here in a second. So let's see. Okay, it's looking for a Wi-Fi connection, so let's do that. Okay, now we're connecting to my Wi-Fi. I'm using Express, and then I think we're gonna be in, and then we'll let all the drivers and everything install. And it's just, like I said, those hard drives, the 240 gigs are going for pretty inexpensively on Amazon. Just find one and get it done. And now this laptop should last another 4 or 5 years because it's going to be quick. All right. Okay, and now we have full Windows 10, and it boots easily. Thank you for watching.